Alphagary acquires majority share ownership in Shakun Polymers Private Limited in India. Alphagary, a global leader in the design and manufacture of specialty polymer compounds and a division of Orbia's Polymer Solutions business group, has announced that it will acquire majority share ownership of Shakun Polymers Private Limited in India. HFCL subsidiary HTL Limited commences production of wire harness for aerospace and defense industry. HFCL Limited has announced that its subsidiary HTL Limited, an end-to-end cabling solutions provider, has recently established a state-of-the-art aerospace and defense wire harness facility in Guindy, Chennai. NDC Technologies introduces the AccuScan Pro Series single-axis diameter measurement. NDC Technologies, a leading global provider of intelligent, connected measurement and control solutions, is known across the industry for its Beta Leisure Mic product line of gauging solutions for the wire, cable, pipe and tube industries. NKT invests in its high voltage power cable factories to prepare for green growth. NKT is expanding its high voltage production sites to execute on a record high order backlog and to prepare for growing market demand for power cable systems driven by the transition to renewable energy. Sterlite Technologies records strong sustained growth, strengthens position with long-term orders. Sterlite Technologies has announced the consolidated financial results for its fourth quarter and financial year ending March 31, 2021. The company reported Rs 4,825 crore in revenue and an order book of over Rs 10,700 crore backed by large global deals.